The image on your phone shows a PayPal balance ticking upward like a stopwatch hitting $5 after only 3 minutes of watching random video clips. It looks like the easiest side hustle in history. No fees are required. No purchases are necessary. Just sit back and watch your bank account grow while you scroll through short dramas. This is the exact pitch used by a developer called Testing Play Survey. They have a whole stable of these apps, including things like Lippy Money and Cash Flashlight. I have tracked their progress before. They usually do actually pay out. They are technically legitimate businesses. However, there is a massive gap between the marketing and the reality on your screen. Those screenshots promising $10 for 5 minutes of your time are pure fantasy. You will be lucky to see 5 cents for that same amount of effort. The earnings usually drop the more you use the software. It starts with a big welcome reward. They might give you 5,000 points right away. That sounds like a massive haul. It is actually just a couple of pennies. You have to wait 3 hours for the system to even convert those points into spendable cash. That is a long time to wait for a few cents. If you tap the cash out button early, you will see that the conversion hasn't happened yet. It keeps you coming back to the app throughout the day. When you finally launch the app, you are met with a barrage of privacy policies and data permissions. You have to be 18. Then the trouble starts. Sometimes the scrolling feature just gets stuck. It feels clunky and unfinished. There is a progress bar that fins up as you watch. There is even a little treasure chest that spins around on the right side of the screen. Every time you try to claim a reward, you are hit with a full-screen advertisement. This is the real secret behind the curtain. You are not really being paid to watch short dramas. You are being paid a tiny fraction of the revenue the developer makes by forcing you to watch commercials. You spend more time closing out ads for other games than you do watching the content you actually signed up for. If you tap the wrong button, another ad starts. If you decline a notification, you get another ad. It is an endless cycle of digital clutter. After grinding for 10 or 15 minutes, you might have 10 cents. If you stick with it for 3 hours, you might hit 30 cents. Most people will find this incredibly frustrating. The payout floor is usually around 5 cents. It is very low because the earnings are so tiny. There are much better ways to spend your time if you want extra cash. You can find legitimate survey sites or gaming platforms that respect your time more than this. This app is not a scam in the legal sense. It will send money to your PayPal eventually. But the hourly wage is essentially non-existent. It is a grind that pays in fractions of a cent. If you enjoy watching ads for hours just to buy a single piece of bubblegum, this is for you. Otherwise, you should probably look elsewhere for your side income. The developer is clearly using misleading advertisements to get people in the door. They show huge stacks of cash in their promo images. It looks like a gold mine. The reality is a digital salt mine. You are doing the work, and they are keeping the lion's share of the profit. It is a classic bait and switch. They tell you it is easy money. They forget to mention that it takes thousands of interactions to reach $1. I have seen many apps exactly like this one. They all follow the same pattern. They give you a boost at the start to keep you hooked. Then the rewards slow down to a crawl. You end up watching 30-second ads for 1/100th of a penny. That is not a business model that benefits the user. It is a model designed to maximize ad impressions for the company. Always be wary of any app that claims you can make dollars per minute. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Do not get blinded by the promise of easy wealth while watching short videos. It is usually just a way to turn your time into their profit.